Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com, here today to show you our subframe bushing support system for the S550 Mustang. The purpose of our subframe bushing support system is to reinforce the bushings in the rear subframe. Now, as we've talked a lot about, Ford used a soft durometer bushing at a lot of points on the Mustang, including the 4 main mounting points of the rear subframe. Now, this is one of the areas that induces wheel hop, and as always, we're working on ways to take that out of the car and make it a better driving experience for you. Now, the way these work is, they actually sandwich the factory bushings and reinforce them, thus the name. But they reinforce them by filling in some of the gaps in those soft bushings. This will help reduce the subframe from wanting to move up and down as we've shown in our other videos, and that's part of what induces the severe wheel hop under hard acceleration. Despite reinforcing the factory bushings, these don't add any NVH or noise, vibration, or harshness. And the way that we can do this is, we retain the factory mounting points at the tops of each bushing. Now, this is really important because the Ford engineers designed a key engineering aspect into their factory bushings. And those are these kind of teeth or knurls at the top of the bushings. And these are what help keep the subframe from wanting to walk under the car under hard acceleration, hard launches, or hard cornering. So it's important to retain those and not cap those off like some of our competitors do. We've constructed these out of aluminum, which is lightweight, strong, and weather resistant. They also carry our lifetime warranty, and we proudly manufacture these in the USA at our Valdosta, Georgia facility. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post them below. If you enjoyed the content of this video, be sure to like it and share it with your friends, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. Learn more about these products and many of the other products we offer at Steeda.com. And don't forget to follow us on social media. Most importantly, have a great day.